Is it possible to make public transport safer and smoother? How can we help the young and the old come up with meaningful ways to spend their time? These are some of the social challenges examined in the Future City Challenge competition. The idea for the competition came from Etteplan, a Finnish engineering company. It's super cool to make people's lives better with the help of technology. Etteplan wants to be involved in projects like this, says Jaakko Alapaavola, Technology Director at Etteplan.
Energy efficiency and sustainability are examples where IoT definitely helps making the smart cities better.
Digita, IBM, and 6 Finnish cities happily joined the Future City Challenge. The cities named everyday challenges they wanted the competition to find solutions for. The 80 teams that enrolled included companies, startups, students, and amateurs. Together, they started to innovate using modern technology. Cities provided the teams with access to their open data, Digita provided them with a nationwide IoT network, and IBM gave access to their application cloud platform. Etteplan organized over 20 coaching sessions where teams could tackle their trickiest challenges with the help of Etteplan's experts. Great innovations were created. For instance, one of the teams came up with a solution where city bikes could be utilized to monitor air quality.
You'd have sensors on the city bikes and it would detect the air quality, and that would be visualized in Reikio Bus.
Which will make everyday's life better.
So already there is some air quality measurement system and we have made it more dynamic now.
The winning solution, called Heads and Tails, offers a way to monitor the indoor air quality of schools, a topic that has sparked nationwide concern in Finland.
I have 2 kids, both are in a school, and last week one of the classes at my younger child's school was closed because of the issues, and she suffers like the nose bleeding and this kind of thing, so it's important, everybody understand it.
And what will future cities look like, according to Jaakko?
Future City is sustainable and well-functioning, having all the services easily available for the people, yet providing minimal load to the environment.